feeling now? Will be
good.
Our first day.
Feeling good.
It's nice to get out of the city, breathe the air, mountain air.
Bumpy road.
After this next part of the walk, we are walking along with the beautiful, nice rivers. We are actually in a army restricted area. So if you want to come here, you must get a permission to walk through this area. For your information. So I will keep you posted in the next posted. Yeah, of course, sharing the trail with these wonderful animals along the way. Gorilla!
Here she is, my mountain woman. She's such a trooper. I love her so much.
It's amazing nature here. Absolutely worth it. It's absolutely worth it. We have a very happy guide over here.
एक नाले बन्दुक दुई नाले बन्दुक मिर्गलाई ताकेको मिर्गलाई मैले ताकेको हैन मायालाई ढाकेको रेशम
What are you singing? What are you singing, by the way?
रेशम फिरिरी उडेर जाऊ के डाँडामा भन्ज्याङ रेशम
Keep walking. Whew. All the stairs. Woo. But beautiful.
Stairmaster day.
Beautiful scenery. Awesome air. No pollution. No beep beep. No beep beep. You can see. It's pretty awesome. Into small pieces. Oh wow.
A lot of work. No, it's not monkey. Donkey.
That one is Manaslu. This is 8,163 meter high.
Do a panoramic, babe.
You got a video. Smile.
Manaslu, here we come.
Suzanne. see 360 degrees the mountain right around us. That's pretty awesome, no? Amazing. Yes, that's it. That's it. Oh man, there's nothing better, Conrad. Nothing better than this. So peaceful.
And we're going which way?
Oh gosh. Landscape change again at the 3,580. That's it. So awesome.
I see some ladies tonight. One more time. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby.
To Samdo, and
that's the glacier behind us.
yeah. And basically it's like 360 degree. It's surrounded by the mountains, and then yeah, just
We're
snow.
in a beautiful valley.
It's amazing. Look at that.
And here you can spend a week acclimatizing and doing hikes
Yeah.
to different spots up to the glacier. There's a huge glacier lake as well, monasteries.
Really experience for real. Being in the snow. First time. No. That's very. Oh man. Yeah, we can't continue going up because there was no storm, and since we don't have many days to lay low in the mountain, so. Oh gosh. Oh man. Too much snow. We back to low, and man, it's snowing today here as well. It's 2,850. Oh, my nose so bad. It gets so cold here. Obviously, crazy.